Both gold and silver showed extreme swings yesterday, achieving the highs for gold at 1926 and the lows at 1896, while silver traded also with good swing, achieving 2435 and 2340 on the downside. Now, what to expect today? Are they going to continue with the bearish tone, or we can look forward to a bounce back? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next updates. The next update on gold will be released before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels and trade as per the level. Now, we did see yesterday that gold was trading in this channel for long on the early chart, then it reversed. But before that, it has achieved lower lows at 1896. And after that, we have seen a good drop. Now, see, this is consolidating near to 1900 levels. You can see multiple candles getting rejected at 1902, 1903, and then this pivot at 1905. So it is trying to reverse here. Now, if you connect the dots from here, it appears we can see higher highs there on the cards. At the same time, if you look at the highs at 1929 and then 1926, it appears that on the upside, the range is limited, and even if it tries to achieve the highs with this bull run, possibly we can expect, if it continues to reverse, possibly we can expect 1920, 1922 levels, very, very strong resistance there. So for the day, only sell entry we can see possibly is below 1900, below which you can expect 1895, 1890 levels. And on the upside, once it trades beyond 1910, you can expect a little more bullish move where you can expect, rather I will say 1912, beyond which you can expect 1950, 1920, 22's levels. This is one part to it. Let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement is moderately bearish here. The stock stick is rising here. It is at comfortable levels now. MACD looking forward to a bullish cross again. RSI trading at the median zone, neither overbought nor oversold. And if you look at 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts too, likewise you can see there is a support here at around 1900, and possibly once it breaks below 1900, yes, you can sell there. And remember, we have long day in front of us, because this is just the beginning of the day. Futures have started trading, and possibly we can see good swings again, and hence you can sell below 1900 and buy above 1910 levels, beyond which a little more rise till 1915, 1920 can be expected. Now, if you look at directional movement, this is moderately bullish here. Stochastic is trading oversold now, trying to look forward to a rise. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trading comfortable and looking upwards, showing little bullish movement. Now look at 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour chart, just look at these three candles. See, higher lows we're seeing. Eliminate this swing out there. But previous three candles, higher lows were seen consistently. It means the downside were limited. Now it is trying to rise again. It is opened above. Possibly it can show you similar size of candle, almost $4 to $5, which might try to take it till towards 1910, 1912 levels. This is a possibility which is there. And beyond that, see, 1915 certainly be a very good resistance there on the upside. Beyond that, 1920, and beyond that, further bullishness can be expected. Directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic trading at bottom here, looking forward to an upward move. MACD is bearish. RSI is flat, not indicative of anything here. Now look at 4 hour charts. And if you look at 4 hour charts with the pivot at 1905, we have seen the highs, we have seen the lows, and it is trying to show you the swing here. And possibly when the next candle starts trading above 1912, you can expect that it can be a bullish candle here, taking it in this zone 1915, 1918, and beyond that, in fact 2022 levels can be seen there if it continues to trade bullish from here. However, remember, see, two big bullish candle, a smaller bearish candle, higher lows, retracement, and now if this time it again drops below 1905 and or rather 1900, then you can expect further sharper, stronger bearish move there on the downside. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking down there. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is trying to look upwards here. Now look at the daily charts. Lower highs here, and if you connect the dots, lower lows there. So this appears to be a widening triangle, increasingly bearish with the larger swings. On the downside, 1895, 1890 levels are very good support here. Only if it breaks below 1890, further bearishness might still get it till towards 1885 and 80. These are very strong support levels for gold on the downside. Now see, it has formed a tail. With the day beginning, it has formed already the tail there, and it is looking forward to a rise. So how far it can rise? See, possibly first at 1915, 1920 levels. These are definitely a good strong resistance level, and only if it breaks below 1900, it can show you further bearishness what we saw on the minor time frames. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic has seen a good drop. See, with little movement here on the charts, and we can see there is a sharper drop in the stochastic, which was trading overbought. The MACD is looking forward to converge here. The RSI is also trading overbought here, and hence a little more possibility of a drop also exists. Considering this, those who want to risk a little can buy here at 1910. Buying at 1910 levels, uh, still till 1920-22 levels, it can reverse any point of time, but you should trade with a trailing stop loss on the upside. Also on the downside, one more interesting aspect is the consolidation, higher lows, this lows. Now today's candle will decide. If it breaches this, certainly more bearishness can be expected. And also, if you see, the rally has started from here for gold at 1870 levels, and it can cover a little till towards these levels before it looks over to retrace. And still couple of days, today's trading session as well as tomorrow's trading session left for gold. So I'll wait forward to it. You can sell at 1904, expect 1900 as the first target, 1895 as the next, and 1890 as the next subsequent. Every $5 you can expect till 1880 as a very good support level for gold. So risking a little, you should buy at 1810, but remember, trade with a trailing stop loss on the upside as well as downside both. And do not trade between 1910 and 1904 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch 19 starting first week of February. Reach out to me for more details. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can trade profitably. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Now see, for silver, see the last few drops in silver, and this is, you can see the beginning of the month, and till then this is the third drop where it is achieved higher lows. Now we all know that 2320 is a very strong support, and probably once it trades below this zone, only you can expect little more bearishness. Now if you look at the hourly charts, on the hourly charts, see first last two candles, higher highs, lower lows. Next, if you connect the dots for the previous few candles, you will find lower highs here. So one thing is clear, once it trades about 2350 levels, you can buy again, because beyond 2350, I will look forward to 2360, 2380, and then $24 levels. Now this level at 2395, 24 is a very good support resistance level, because previously it was a support, now it is going to be the resistance while on the move upside. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic was oversold, now trying to look upwards. The MACD is extremely bearish here. See, it has achieved the bottom. It is looking forward to converge crossover for the buy positions here. Now see how far it has stretched. It is stretched till towards minus 20 levels. Now possibly from here it can try to look upwards, and hence 2350 should be a good opportunity to buy. However, you should be careful. They see it is trading extremely oversold on the hourly charts, and you can find these are very extreme levels for silver right now on the hourly charts. Possibility of a bounce back exists here. If you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, yes, it is trying to reverse 2350 levels, certainly be a good resistance. Once it breaks past this zone, you can expect that probably we may see 2360, 2380 levels, which is definitely very good resistance, and then $24 levels, the strongest resistance. Directional movement bearish, stochastic, trading oversold, possibility of a bounce back exists. MACD divergent and bearish, probably we may see it converging. RSI is also trading oversold here. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. So similar observation, nothing different there. Same it is over bearish, oversold, and on the MACD also it is bearish, but probably the highs are done. RSI is trading at bottom, and similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Only buy entry once you see it trading about 2350 levels, then 2360, 2380 levels are achievable. Directional movement, bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI at bottom here. And if you look at the daily chart, and on the daily charts, likewise these are the three lows which we had looked at, and see 2320 levels plus minus 510 is a very strong support zone, and specifically $23 levels. Now look at the daily charts. There is a possibility of a reversal exist, there is a possibility for it to turn green exist, and yes, if it continues to rise from here, 2380 $24 levels certainly be a very good resistance. If you see the trend of silver, if you see the movement of silver in recent past, see red candles, retracement, red candles, retracement, red candles, possibly retracement exists. So either it has to break past 23 2280 zone, which will confirm. So it has to complete this green candle, it has to come out of this green candle on the upside or downside for it to confirm the breakout. Right now it is stabilizing, it is still trading sideways in this channel itself. So possibly once it trades below 2320 you can sell, and once it trades above 2350 you can buy here. Do not trade between 2320 and 2350 levels. Below 2320, 2310, $23 and 2280, these are the support levels below which 2250 levels can be seen. On the upside, only bullish movement will be confirmed after $24 levels. Till that time you have to trade with the trailing stop loss and keep booking the profits at every milestone. Trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.